Hi, it's Barry. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a little video for you that is NPR, otherwise known as not planner related, but I just couldn't pass up the opportunity to share with you. I did a bit of damage shopping when I was on vacation, someplace I had not shopped before, and that was the Chanel store. I absolutely loved the experience and wound up with 2 items that I thought I would show you. So I don't know about you, but I love the logo. I love the camellias. The only Chanel item that I did own prior to this trip actually has the camellias into this very slim card holder. But you can see on the back and on the front. I know it's almost too pretty to open, but here goes. And I know all of my fellow minimal planners probably enjoy this very subtle, beautiful logo on the all black. And this will be the receipt and information. I love the cases that they use at Chanel, and I'm not sure exactly how well this will show up on the video, but the logo is in there debossed. So what I got was a key case that can also be used as a card holder, whatever. And it's in the black with the beautiful logo, and that's the back of it. I love small purses, and this, I figure, can fit everything that I need in my wallet. So there is, of course, a way for you to attach your key, and it's very pretty. I love the logo on that. However, that is not how I am planning to use this. I just put that in the bottom of my purse. And if you don't have one of these, I got a multi-pack of it on Amazon a while ago. They're really great. So it's an LED light that you can either put all the way on, and that is actually very bright when it's in the dark, or you can press it just to get a quick burst of light if you need it. Very useful. Anyway, back to this. So I currently have been using 2 of the key clays in Louis Vuitton. And so I have half of the things that I need in this one, more of the things that I need. This is my main one. So I want to see how these things fit in here. So I basically have everything that was in both of those, which is my ID, my insurance cards, several credit cards, a gift card, my car registration, and my car insurance card. So all of that fits in here, zips up neatly, and this just doesn't take up as much room as a large wallet. Some of the small bags that I like to use, I don't have a lot of excess room because a lot of my bags are very tiny. And speaking of small bags, let me show you what's inside this box. So again, with the very beautiful, luxurious feeling dust bag. This is a new bag this season with Chanel. You're probably familiar with the wallet on a chain that they have. They usually have several varieties of it, and then each season they have new styles. So this is new this season, and this is a classic clutch with chain. And the dimensions are 4.7 by 8.2, at the widest part 2 inches. One thing I liked about this bag compared to the wallet with chain is that there's more room at the bottom, and so I could fit more things in it. I did try fitting my stuff into the other more traditional classic wallet with chain, but this one I know will serve my needs much better. On the back, there's a little slot where you could put something important, and it would fit a credit card, a gift card, your license. I don't think I would put something like that in it personally. And if you open it up, you'll see that there are some slots where you could put some cards. Of course, I will be using this in here, and then still have room for my phone and just another few things that I like to carry with me if I'm going out for the evening. The chain is a leather and gold, and it is the perfect crossbody length, at least for me. I love how shiny the logo is on both of these purchases. So what do you think of my selection? Did I make the right choices? I certainly feel I did for my lifestyle. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time around.